Hey everyone, we're back here again in Ayala, Alabang, and I'm very excited to feature this new listing that we have in I2 Prime. It's this property at my back that sits on a total of 634 lot area and a floor area of 652. So I'm very excited because there's so many surprises inside. Ang daming mga magandang feature which I'm excited to share with you. But before we go inside, let's first take a moment to appreciate the facade of the property. Very elegant looking. Dito pa lang sa labas, you see that it's going to be very big inside. Napakalaki nung kanyang frontage, no? So dito sa labas, we have a good landscape garden. Then as we get inside, if you need more open spaces, if this is not enough for you, we have more landscape garden over this side. So you have here, you have another one here, and that is connected all the way there to the back. Ayan, napakalaki ng ating setback sa side, here, this side, and even to the other side. And then, if you have many cars, hindi nyo magiging problema yung parking because we have here provision of 4 to 6 na car spaces. It can fit up to 4 to 6 vehicles. So, it's not gonna be a problem. So now, when we get inside the property, you will be welcomed by this huge glass door. Okay? And pagpasok nyo, this is what you will see. You have this spacious living area and it gives you an immediate access towards the swimming pool area. Na napakaganda ng view. And from the swimming pool area, if you need a space to set up maybe your office, so you have a room over here. This could be an office, but this could also be a provision for a bedroom. So if you want to have a closer access to the swimming pool, you can set this up as a bedroom. No? So it's not gonna be an issue because you have your own toilet and bath also over this side. And it has really good finishes with sink, the tiled wall, then you also have here the shower area. And there's one more exciting thing about this room because it has its own sauna. Okay, let's go. So now, from the living area, it gives you an immediate access towards the spacious dining area. So imagine you have your friends and family visiting you. So you can set up your dining table here. So there's already a chandelier to lighten the dining table. Then you can have the chairs here. Then imagine you having or enjoying your breakfast, lunch, and dinner with your family and friends. Then it gives you again an access dito sa ating kitchen area. You have an island counter here. This is where you prepare your food para sa family nyo. Then this comes with a refrigerator already, an oven. Then you have good finishes of the kitchen cabinet. Then here on this side, you have a sink, you have an oven, you have an exhaust. So everything that you need dito sa kitchen is already here. But if this is not enough, it's up to you. You can upgrade it to your preference. Then you have here a pantry. Then, if the space in this kitchen is not enough, you have here an auxiliary kitchen. So, if you're the type of person who wants to do groceries and to have a lot of stock dito sa bahay, you have a refrigerator there. Then, pero there's another one here kung hindi pa enough yun. Then, mayroon din siyang oven. There's a separate sink here. Another stove, exhaust. So, dito naman, nandito yung access ng mga helpers kasi yung room nila is here, dito sa labas. Okay? And ang ganda actually nung ating maid's room. So, pagpasok nyo dito, meron siyang spiral na stairs. Tapos, pag akyat, nandito yung ating maid's room. And what's good about the maid's room? Meron na rin siyang sarili niyang toilet and bath. Then, ito yung room niya. Then, meron din siyang sarili niyang view of the swimming pool. Amazing, right? Okay, so now, balik tayo dun sa bahay. Tapos dito pala, so merong sink dito. Then, yung helper, meron din siyang access na sarili going towards the swimming pool area. And then the backyard also. Okay? Sige, dito naman tayo dumaan. So dito, sa swimming pool area natin, the swimming pool is really good. It's in the center of this house. So everyone gets a view of the swimming pool. So it's really a good design made by the owner. So let's check the rest of the house sa second floor. Before we go to the second floor, pakita ko lang kasi if you also have maybe seniors or elderly who live with you, we have another room here designed for them. So merong room dito sa ground floor na may sarili din siyang toilet and bath. It's also very spacious. It comes with its own aircon. Then, nandito yung ating toilet and bath. Then, meron din tayong powder room dito. And then there's storage, by the way. So, kung may mga maleta kayo, although hindi pa fix yung ating powder room, so I cannot let you see what's inside. May mga boxes pa. Okay, then let's go to the second floor. So the stairs are all made of wood. Kaya, if you notice, very classy yung design. Yung theme niya actually is Mediterranean, French Mediterranean. Ayan. So if the living space sa baba is not enough, you can actually set this huge space here as your maybe a family room. This could be a second floor family area. So if you need more space to bond with your family and friends, this could be the space for it. Then we have 4 additional bedrooms dito sa second floor. This is the first one. It's also very spacious. It comes with its own aircon. Then meron din siyang toilet and bath. Then meron din tayo dito walk-in closet. Then, let's go to the second room dito sa second floor. It's this one. With a different view because it's on the other side. Pero what's good about this is it has a natural good light coming from this window. Then, you have your headboard here. This could fit maybe a queen-size bed, then the side table, then nandito yung walk-in closet and its own toilet and bath. So the materials used for all the bedrooms, the toilet are all the same. So there's tiles, there's sliding door, and you have this cool mirror. Babago yung ilaw. Okay? And then we have 2 more rooms left. Before we go to the main room or the master's bedroom, let me show you another room over this side. So this is the third room on the second floor. So if you have maybe kids, this could be a kid's room, whether a girl's room or a boy's room. Then it has its own, again, toilet and bath. Okay, so let's go to the exciting part, which is the master's bedroom. So the master's bedroom is definitely bigger than the rest of the rooms that we saw earlier. So this could fit maybe a king size bed. It has its own aircon. And then look at this very elegant walk-in closet. So if you're into collections of accessories, maybe belt, watches, or jewelry. So you have a storage here, an island storage. So we have the cabinets. Ito, maybe for your clothes. Then dito naman, if you're collecting shoes, pwede dito. Then look at this toilet and bath. It's very, again, very huge. So you have his and hers. So for your partner. Then this is the sliding shower room. Okay, so I hope that you are so far enjoying this property tour because I am very enjoying it. It's really lovely. It's a very good house and listing here in Ayala, Alabang. You will be surprised how much this costs because of the quality, ang ganda niya. Pero it's super less expensive considering the location that you live in, Ayala, Alabang. So if you're curious to know more about the details, I would be very happy to share more about this house. So just send me a message. Again, I will leave my contact numbers below. So if you want to maybe check this out in person, just reach out to me. My name is again Froilan John Idos and I'm from I2 Prime Realty. So in our realty, we handle all the listings, whether lot, house and lot, condo. So just name it and we will give you the best available in the market. So again, thank you so much for watching. I am Froilan John Idos and I am very excited and I hope to see you soon. So see you to our next tour. Bye!